All right, now we've been cutting the walls out here. If you notice, we've been cutting the walls out. He's been using that plasma cutter. Right here is how we measured the walls. We built this frame out of wood. We just set it against the wall and we draw a line so we don't have to keep marking and drawing and all kinds of measuring. It's just one and done.
It's wavy, but the plasma cutter also is wavy, so it evens out.
Yeah, that's right. It's still, we're getting a pretty even cut. This is 100 inches. It's 96 inches for the plywood that we're going to put on the wall, and 4 inches because we're going to turn see, they just moved it down some, and he's going to continue marking the line. We're going to put our rafters are going to go on top of the C-purling that we've already welded to the walls, and they're going to hold this middle up along with, we believe, some 4-inch square tubing. But see, he just marks it. You can mark a 40-foot container in just a minute using this jig. I would suggest it. We just put 4 boards, 2 10-foot, a 10-foot there and a 10-foot there, and we put this in between to hold it at the right level. And then the corners, we just 45 some boards to keep it square. Just about as quick as you could draw that pen, you can get your line marked. Saves a lot of time in that constantly remeasuring. Good thing about a jig. Okay. There.
I've also noticed that the jig isn't that long.
Well, that's way easier than doing the other. You're going to have a 1/4 inch leeway. See, from that I-beam or from that C-purling, we're going to run C-purling as rafters all the way to that C-purling. We'll weld them up so that, and it'll hold it. I'll show you something that, Evan, can you come here and show them, wiggle this roof. Take that ladder over there where you can wiggle it. Now that we've cut these walls out, I want to show you how flimsy the container becomes. See, we've cut this wall out. He can just move the roof. So when you cut the wall out, you do affect the integrity of these containers.
I guess it's suction.
That's kind of crazy. All right, we just thought we would check in and give you a little more information of how it's going, but it's coming along pretty nicely now.